subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Now we are through the questions and answers of the Lake Isle of Innisfree. Question 1. What kind of place is Innisfree? Think about. The three things the poet wants to do when he goes back there. Stanza I. 2. What he hears and sees there and its effect on him. Stanza 2. 3. What he hears in his heart's core even when he is far away from Innisfree. Stanza 3. Answer. Innisfree is a beautiful place where poet has spent a lot of time as a boy. The three things the poet wants to do when he goes back to Innisfree are: he wants to build a small cabin of clay and wattles. He wants to have 9 bean rows there. He wants to have a hive for the honeybee. 2. He hears the cricket sing and sees the midnight glimmer with beauty. He sees the sky glowing purple at noon. He watches the evenings full of the linnet's wings. All of these have a positive effect on him and he feels very peaceful. 3. He hears the lake water lapping by the shore at low sounds in his heart's core even when he is far away from Innisfree. Question 2. By now you may have concluded that Innisfree is a simple, natural place, full of beauty and peace. How does the poet contrast it with where he now stands? Read stanza 3. Answer. The poet contrasts the natural beauty of Innisfree with the roadways and grey pavements of the city he now lives in. Grey pavements show the lack of colors and liveliness of the place. Question 3. Do you think Innisfree is only a place or a state of mind? Does the poet actually miss the place of his boyhood days? Answer. Yes, I think Innisfree is a place in reality. The poet actually misses the place of his boyhood days spent in the natural beauty of Innisfree. He gets reminded of the low sounds of the lake water lapping by the shore. 2. Question 1. Look at the words the poet uses to describe what he sees and hears at Innisfree. Beloved glade. 2. Evenings full of the linnet's wings. 3. Lake water lapping with low sounds. What pictures do these words create in your mind? Answer. 1. Beloved glade creates a picture of a place in a forest that is filled with the soft buzzing sound of honeybees. 2. Evenings full of the linnet's wings creates an image of a red-orange sky that is full of linnets. Linnets are beautiful birds that add up to the scenic beauty of a place when they flutter their wings and fly. 3. Lake water lapping with low sounds lets us take a dive into the peaceful scenario where the water of the lake is flowing and producing soothing sound. Question 2. Look at these words. Peace comes dropping slow. Dropping from the wails of the morning to where the cricket sings. What do these words mean to you? What do you think comes dropping slow from the wails of the morning? What does to where the cricket sings mean? Answer. These words mean that one can attain peace slowly and gradually. Peace is what comes dropping slow from the wails of the morning. The poet says that peace and serenity spread gradually from the rising morning sky to the ground where the cricket sings. Thanks for watching. If you have new user, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. You get notification of new useful videos when upload, and also click the like button and share this link to your friends and students.
यदि आप नया यूजर्स हैं तो हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए।